Good afternoon. It is July 8th. Happy anniversary to Jackie and myself. This next series of vlogs was supposed to be Joe's wedding, but I have a odd moment where none of the girls are home. It gives me an opportunity to burn Grandpa's old chair cane reed. So we're going to do that right now. I don't have any paper with me, but I am assuming that 75-year-old cane reed will spontaneously combust. I got a strain of it saved on a shelf. I have a strain of it within the chair, and gave it a couple of strains away. So this is the rest of it. But let's see if we can't give it a nice Lake Carey funeral. So that burned very hot and very fast. We were right. There we are. And if it burnt any slower, I was going to relax in its rebirth. But it was burning so fast, I just stayed right there. But happy to have you.
Your pumpkin? Can you change me back? You cute little pumpkin. Yay! I'm back. Dad.
New pumpkin.
Oh no. My pumpkin. Yay! Now I change you out of your bibs. Say hi to Dad. Say hi.
Okay, I'm in the car on the way to get a card for Joe and Colleen's wedding. And then to the rehearsal. That's why it looks so good. And look at, we got a storm coming. We have a storm coming. Of course we would have a storm coming. We'll see. We haven't restored power from the last storm. But, I got a pretty good, like, neatly disheveled look with my hair going. So I'm a little bit upset if the storm ruins that. But you can see some of the storm damage around here. Let's see if this tree, yeah, look at this tree over here. That was a doozy in the previous vlog. We were very lucky. We didn't have a single leaf missing. And we never lost power. Oh, you lunatic. Okay, good evening. Two points. Well, 1 point and then the point of this video. There was no real Joe and Colleen wedding content for a series of reasons, some of which was just, it was busy, it was distracted. Didn't pull the camera out of the car. Don't have it. It's fine. We had a nice weekend. But guess what today is, or this evening is, Airshow Eve. It is 9 p.m. on Friday, the 16th of July. And we have a lot of prep work to do to make this Airshow successful tomorrow. Getting 4 people in the car by 9 a.m., prepared for the whole day on an airfield, coordinating with 4 or 5 other vehicles to arrive at the same time. The logistics, the variables, the complexities through the roof. Control what you can control. Get the car packed. Get it packed efficiently with all the things you need. Let me come over here, show you this. This clipboard, this piece of paper, has 54 nouns on it. We need to pack 54 nouns successfully in the next exactly 12 hours. 11 hours and 56 minutes. Let's get rolling. Step 1, unload the shit that's currently in the car. And as I got down here, I realized we didn't put chairs on the list of nouns. So add 3 more nouns to that list. Bad start if I didn't remember the chairs. Charlotte, if you're ever watching this when you're older, understand that you're such an amazing child and human being. But this shit's getting wicked old. This is getting really old. It's not what I wanted to do at 10 o'clock at night. Just found it. Somehow we left you alone too long. And you dug in the plants again. I'm going to say no to something that you ask for at some point, and it's going to seem unjust or unfair. Just know I'm playing the long game on this one. We are at the air show. We've been here for 10 minutes and it's raining quite hard. We did come prepared with tents. Let's go into tent number 1.
You're posing for a picture?
Yep.
Look better behind it.
It's a very small cell. I wouldn't have put up these tents if I thought they were going to get blown around.
Yeah.
Mary's holding down the fort. Good thing we bought that tent for you.
For me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Jackie's in there.
They're still here.
Living right, Quinn.
Have
weather has passed. It's sunny and muggy now, but life is good. There's Liz, documenting not rain.
I know, this is great.
It's spicy right now though.
It is spicy. Like it gets hot under the tent, so I step out and it's hot.
Yeah, look at Quinn with her fan in her crib. Yeah. I'm about to get after those snacks. Oh, Charlotte.
Literally on a platter.
Look at this. So you have a place to work, washable crayons, and a new coloring book for you. I
That's
love
so
you.
nice.
I'll put it up here.
Charlotte, are we
you're
gonna
done.
color after your snack?
That's what I was gonna say. After your snack is done.
You got that plan to work?
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we had a ton of fun with it.
So that he never used. So
That explains that.
yeah, right.
It looks brand new.
Do you think it's easier for the color on it, or did she?
That might be
I don't know. Charlie, do you want to color on this tray, or are you happy?
Yeah, whatever you're happy with.
You want to try this?
That way you have some practice.
That was it.
It's pretty cool.
Piece of blacktop after you land on it, and you don't stall it again. Oh, another stall. Now you know what it feels like when it stops flying. They called it composite back then, yeah, but it was plywood. It's still composite. Layers and layers of balsa and plywood.
Oh my God.
He had to pay for it during the World War II.
He was up real late Thursday smoking this meat.
They didn't have the steel or the metal
How long do you have to
to
smoke
produce the airplanes, but they had the wood available. So they're producing airplanes like they have like at the end of the season, but they also have the mosquito bomber
Want a piece?
during World War II.
It's really good.
Super fancy one, but relatively.
I'm gonna have some meats then. Let's go check out the meats.
Again, that were manually sighted. 500-pound bombs.
I did.
Swing of the airplane.
Okay, I'm here for some meats. Oh, you
What do you recommend?
wow! You brought buns and everything.
Oh yeah.
What's in there?
It's very simplistic design.
One of them is pineapple, the other is cheese.
This piece of meat. I'm just gonna eat a meat.
It was the first
Oh, now she's smiling.
the world's first single-engine jet fighter. Yes, German had to swallow.
Hi, Quinn.
Yeah.
There, but helicopter
No.
It's got MXS airplane aboard today. Power's up, nose up, smoke is on.
Give me that.
You think that could be a new ad campaign for an alcohol? I have to be very, I'm a breastfeeding mother. I only get one drink every now and then,
So I have to make it count.
and that's why I drink.
That's a mom. I know what
I was
counts.
trying not to be judgmental,
When
but
I, my one drink every 8.5 hours, I have to choose something that I don't regret. That's why I drink. Blah, blah, blah.
On the battlefield, this capability enables the warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Bring up an airshow, show off our airplane a little bit, show off our team. Before that, you guys take a trip out, make sure
Hi, Charlotte. Hi. You had a nice nap?
Airplanes.
Let's put that down.
So you're probably due
A diaper
a diaper soon.
and a lunch.
Oh yeah, you need a lunch too.
Like this?
Love herself. Here's Quinny
Yep.
under the
With her
hat.
beautiful hat.
Yes.
Wow. Look at that.
Tuesday is like actually the 19th. Yeah. So we still have 2 weeks till our photos hopefully come out.
Yeah. I'm excited to see that.
I know.
I'm sure they got some good shots. Oh, and you feel like they're not enough of everyone else.
Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. 7 right there. You stop anytime you want to go. 7 inside snaps on that 45 down line. Keeping everything in its
What's happening with Jackie?
Butterfly scooter.
A butterfly
Yeah,
scooter?
my dad said went over.
I'm like, what's happening? It's a jam right here.
Wow, Charlotte, what do you think? What about those airplanes? They're different than the ones over our house, huh?
They cool? It's not totally sure. She just said they fly.
Over break.
I did not see it. Wow. See them first and then you hear them because they're so fast. They're loud. That's what's in your shirt. That's what's on your shirt. That plane. It's a Thunderbird.